like you are a serious boring person, some childish things, and you think it's childish. On a corner and not listening that whispers and discussion, but still you can hear that. You can ignore it, but you can deny. Trying to make your environment peaceful for you. Thousand of thoughts in our mind, regrets in you, stuckness, huh? Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of June. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guideline from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Virgo person's feelings, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feelings, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? Six of Cups, King of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. What are the Virgo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Virgo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Hermit, the World, Five of Wands, Five of Swords. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Death, the Empress. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Eight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Page of Cups, Six of Cups, Aquarius with this Empress, Scorpio with this Death, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands, Virgo with this Hermit. Your person is missing you. They are really missing you. The first moments, the first time when you give them emotions and feelings, and when they fall in love with you, they are missing the you. The when they fall in love with you, and they're offering you their emotions, feelings, passion, love, affection. Little bit childish and immature. This person, you feel like that this person is immature and do some childish things because this Page of Cups and Six of Cups, and this person, sometimes you have to babysit this person. This person is not evolving and growing in love, and they find you like you are a serious boring person, stable on your ground, and you are just you find them childish, and they find you like you are not the more boring and serious person, more than your age. So they think we should do some childish things, and you think it's childish. So they find you like you are stable on your ground. You are not moving away, moving inch. You are not changing. You are not accepting the change, and healthy boundaries around you. It's hard to move you an inch away from your mindset, and you're busy and ignoring them. Well, that's kind of irritating and boring for them. They are just like, no, you are just busy with your work. And yes, you are. They got a feel from you. You're busy with your work, and this person also working on themselves, working on their, the personality, their charisma. They're working on that, and they think you are stable, non-romantic, boring person. But they're offering you. They are just pouring their emotions and feelings in you, charging you with their love and their affection, and they want you to do some childish things. They want you to connect with your inner child and enjoy life. Life is too short to be serious and always the more practical, and you are a little bit isolating yourself from all the discussion is around you. You are trying your best to sit on a corner and not listening that whispers, but it's happening. No matter how much you go far away, but your mind is there with this family, with this discussion, with this whispers. Your ear, something in your ear. You can listen. People talk and you hear, and no matter how much you avoiding and isolating yourself and distancing yourself from all these whispers and discussion, but still you can hear that, and you're trying your best to save yourself from all this discussion and people fighting, and they are discussing about you, and naturally ended, something is ended, a cycle is ended, completed, so naturally ended, and you are just like it's complete now. What else in this? figured it out, and everything is just like this is a open book in front of you. So what else? So, but there is a conflict. You can feel the conflicts, disagreement with you, no matter what kind of things you are doing, what kind of offers, what kind of things happening. This five and this five, sword and wands. Disagreement is there, not agreeing on a same point, and they all are talking about you, whispering about you, discussing about this connection and you, and you can hear the the whispers around you. Even you are trying best to isolate yourself, and you just like, I don't care about this, but there things is there, this disagreement is there. You can't deny that, you can ignore it, but you can deny, can't remove this from your life. And nature change, it's a big change in your life. Something is totally, utterly changed. Table turns, queen flips, and you are in an empress energy right now. You're trying to make peace and nourishing your environment and try to make peace and finding peace with this empress card. And this person know that there is a change in your life. Everything is changing in your life, but you think this person is no matter how much they are just being childish sometimes, but they know that in a, on a, when it's need to be serious, they become serious, but with kindness, a lot of kindness. And you are trying to find peace. You're trying to make your environment peaceful for you. Let's see what else we have for you, Virgo. What else we have for Virgo? And we are having here Four of Sword, Seven of Wands, and Three of Wands. This person is, taking a break from all this, the whispers, and they know that you need break. They know that you need to take break from all this fight and whispers and discussion. You really don't want to be part of this, so you need to take break. And yes, you are standing up for yourself, fighting against all this, the the things, the what they talk about you, and you're standing up for yourself, you're taking action actually. And you are planning about your life in your isolation. A thousand of thoughts in our mind, we can't stop these thoughts. And all these thoughts, when you find yourself a little bit comfortable and calm, then you are just making plans about your life. Distance is there, and you are just finding solutions, and watching it and analyzing it and watching it from distance, and making plans and future planning and traveling. In some cases maybe you want to travel somewhere, but the whispers and fighting up for yourself, and they think you need to take a break. And when you think about the future and running about future, and maybe you want to travel towards someone, you want to travel to get some fresh air. This Three of Wands. Let's see. Let's collect some pieces from future. This card. Five of Cups. Stuckness, huh? The Hanged Man. And what's the outcome? Three of Cups. So with this Five of Cups, this person know that you are regretting over past. You are regretting, keep regretting over past. You are looped in past. This whispers, this is discussion, everything is take you back in past, and you are regrets in you. They can feel that. And maybe in some cases they think like that you are missing your ex person, and you are stuck with that stuckness there. You don't know what should you do and how it will sort out, what possibly you can do about this situation. And when you think about and you feel like that nothing you can do, that's how you feel stuck and paused and bound and hanged in the middle. And there is a third party situation, three-way, triangle, love triangle. Maybe some of you were busy with your friends and family, and try to engage their mind in with friends, and but third party situation there, because of some third party it's happening. And you are spending more time with your friends and your family just to divert your intentions and your attention somewhere else. Okay, let's see what advice messages from your angel. What advice messages from your angel? I am an angel of abundance. You will receive the money that you need, and God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. Amazing message. Wow. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Spend some time with your mother. Enjoy your friendships. And yes, you are enjoying your friendship. Forgive yourself first. Heal. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person is offering you their cup of love and emotions, and they're missing the moment when they fall in love with you. And you are working on yourself and you're busy, and this person, sometimes you feel like that this person is childish, but in but they think like that in order to find happiness in your life you need to be a little bit childish. Your side talking about you, discussing, whispers there, people, your family talking about you, and you try your best to step back from all these whispers, but stuckness is there, and there is some kind of third party between both of you, and you try to spend more time with your friends instead of your family and other people. These are some of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.